Hi everyone, Jason from Makera here with the Makera Z1 and Z1 Pro Wired Z Probe tutorial. The Makera Z1 Wired Z Probe supports Z-axis automatic detection, workpiece surface leveling, and machine area scanning. Working with the anchor system, it greatly simplifies the XYZ axis positioning process. This makes pre-machining preparation and calibration more efficient and accurate. The Makera Z1 comes with a wired Z-probe pre-installed on the right side of the spindle from the factory. You'll be prompted in the Makera Studio app and see the spindle light flashing cyan when the Z-probe is required. You can use the Z-probe like any other cutting tool. First, remove the current tool following a standard tool change procedure. Take out the wired Z-probe and pull down the tool change lever, then insert the wired Z-probe vertically into the spindle and then release the lever to lock it in place and complete the installation. Once loaded, press Continue in the Makera Studio app or press the Action button on the front of the Makera Z1 to complete the tool change process and to continue with your operations. The system will automatically complete machining area scanning, Z-axis detection, and workpiece surface leveling depending on the settings chosen in the Makera Studio app. You can also double tap the probe tip to activate the laser, which helps you confirm the current probe position. You can double tap it again to turn off the laser, and of course, please take safety precautions in consideration when manually activating the laser of your Z probe. The wired probe simplifies complex positioning and leveling, making it a great tool for improving machining accuracy and efficiency for your various CNC projects. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.